Alright guys, I think Bitcoin is about to do something really crazy, but most people are going to miss out on this. Alright guys, my name is Mr. T and you are welcome to the Investors Den. Over here we talk about cryptocurrencies, technical analysis, trading and all of that stuff. So if that is something that you're interested in, then you might want to click on that subscribe button. And while you're down there, do us a favor and smash up the like button, as it helps support the channel. So let's get down to business. Okay, so at the moment, I think Bitcoin is right at the bottom of a very important trend line. And this trend line has been holding strong for a very long time now. This is the full thing. You can see all the way from here since December 2020, this trend line has maintained and it has held all the way to this point here. And right now, it seems like we are at that very same point again. So, in my opinion, this might be a pretty good trading opportunity. I actually took a trade. I've been trying out some really crazy trades. Lately, I took a trade at this point, hoping that the price was going to go up, but obviously it didn't turn out to be so. Instead, we got a rejection. Funny thing about this is that I actually called this rejection that we got over here, and that was because of this particular indicator. This is that you can see exactly how this indicator falls just above this line. This is a 200-day moving average, and it's telling us that we are probably going to get a rejection, and that's exactly what happened. But anyway, so I think that right now it might be a very good point to be making a trade. I actually took a trade. I made that trade on Telegram. If you're not in my Telegram group, you might want to head down to the description below. You're gonna get access. You're gonna get the link to get access into the group. So I made this trade, and I think it's going to be profitable really soon, because this trend line is really important. Evidently, as you can see, let's count how many times we've got pretty interesting bounces, recoveries, starting from here maybe, but you can see here 1, 2, and I'm not even counting these other ones. So this is 3, 4, 5, and if you're trading all of these things on leverage, if you're trading all these things on leverage, let's say you traded from this. I took this trade, by the way. This is 45%, and you trade on 4x, on 10x leverage. That has a 450% profit. I know it's easier said than done, right? But we did a couple of incredible trades that period on our Telegram group. Again, if you're not in the Telegram group, head to the description below and you get access to join in immediately. So this is one of the reasons why I think Bitcoin is also looking pretty bullish. And another thing is this. So if we move over to the hourly time frame, you can see that Bitcoin is in some sort of falling wedge, and usually falling wedges are bullish. Actually, it's a bullish indication. Okay, so what this means is that you can see that Bitcoin has been on a steady fall. You can see we've been having lower highs and lower lows over here. You can see this high here is higher than this high, and this high over here is higher than this, and you get the idea. So and now it's looking like the trend is beginning to slow down, as there's a bottom at this point here. We didn't get to this other bottom, and we are not going below it as it seems, or as of now. So this means that we'll probably be getting a trend reversal. All right, so, and this is what falling wedges are usually like. But I'm not going to be all optimistic. I don't want to. Okay, I like to be optimistic, but I don't want to be a moon boy, so to speak. There is the bad side to the market too. The market is not entirely great looking, especially when we zoom into the daily time frame. You see it a lot clearer. Okay, so on this daily time frame now, you can see that we've actually broken below this this trend line, and we've done so in a way that we've not done before. All these other times that we broke below it, they were barely just weeks below it. You can see this was barely just a week, but we never really had a strong close below it. So this might be dangerous for the market, because if this actually if Bitcoin falls and breaks below this trend line, we are going to be in some serious trouble in the market. And you see this line over here, this is like $23,000 $21,000 range. That is where I probably see Bitcoin fall into. But let's not talk about that bad part. Let's try to be as optimistic as possible. All right, so by the way, if you want to get access to my trades, you can head over to our Telegram group and you will get access immediately. Just check the link in the description below. It's good to be back. It's been a long time, since we made a video. We've been setting up a new studio. We have a lot of content for you guys, so stick around, subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the very next one.